Hey guys, so this is really fucking wild, and I wanted to share. As you guys know, I've been training my model for the last week, 2 weeks, on ChatGPT 4, to actually give me stock market predictions. Upload file. Why is it saying upload file? Why can't I upload? Oh, there we go. Photo library. Cool. And I got a lot of requests recently for NVDA, and what I wanted to try today, instead of doing a little bit more longer term, I wanted to use the 4 hour to give a little bit shorter term, prediction for NVIDIA, because I did get a lot of requests for NVIDIA. I just did FFIE. FFIE, actually, if you guys haven't seen, is recovering right now. Can you do it again for this line graph? There you go. And if you guys don't know, this model, the Omni model, has been pretty much as accurate as the old ChatGPT 4 model that I had trained for like the last 2 weeks, right? It's been pretty accurate, the same thing. I've been measuring both side by side, and they've both been doing roughly the same thing. So I've been using ChatGPT 4.0 because it's a little bit faster, and I don't have to go through the code of, I don't have to pull the Python code and then do it myself. And then also, while we're doing this, if you guys are interested in joining the Patreon, you could go to patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. And I actually just released my book on Amazon. So selfless plug, if you guys want to pick it up, it just hit #1 in the last 24 hours for, I think what the category was, like something money and finance, right? And then also it just hit top new release on Amazon as well. And I'll show you guys that right now, but after this actually finishes doing its thing. I hate when it regenerates because it takes a long time for it to actually like do its thing. But we'll see. But yeah, FFIE is going again. I think GME today, any close above 2285 is going to send it. And then we'll just kind of double check to make sure that, we're heading the right direction once we check, a little bit of on the TA side. There we go. So it is looking for... So see, I already trained it to understand, right? I based it off a lot of image recognition also for the Python script and what to look for. So again, it's looking for $1,000 on NVIDIA. So there you go. $1,000 on NVIDIA is what it's looking for right now. This is actually there you go. So this is actually selfless plug. If you guys want the book and you guys want access to the indicators that I use, these are the indicators that I use. They're all going to be here, right? It's essentially a documentation that I wrote for my daughter, but in book form. I was never going to release this actually, but I just did it just to do it, I guess. And again, Roku. I do think Roku's going to $87 for just like a quick plug there for you guys. And Microsoft. And again, I do think Microsoft is headed up. I'll tell you guys target right now. The first target for Microsoft is going to be... Wait, did Microsoft target already hit? On the weekly? Yeah, so Microsoft is going to send it, right? And if you guys do want access, these are the indicators, essentially what's going on, right? These are the indicators that you guys will have access to in that book, right? And look at that. Perfect entries for every single one, right? Look, you would have bought around here for Amazon at 323 for your long term. You would have bought around here, 241. Again, you would have bought around these low levels here on the weekly. You would have bought down here on these perfect entries down here. You would have bought at 151, right? Again, green bubble, stochastic on the lows. Like, this is a custom indicator that I've built that I can definitely say that is ridiculously accurate, especially for your long term. Again, for NVIDIA, you would have bought NVIDIA down here at 437, right? Again, you would have bought it down here at 122. If you go to the monthly chart, right, even more wild is if you go to the monthly chart, look at that. That's self-explanatory, guys. These would have been your level. You would have bought at $42, and you would have bought here at 42, $46. You would have bought again at 133 for NVIDIA, and it's at $1,000 right now. So there's absolutely nothing I can think of in this world that would probably be a better indication of when to catch these market bottoms, right? Like how to master the market bottom than this. But again, where are we? There we go. So yeah, NVIDIA, it thinks it's going to $1,000, right? So short-term prediction for NVIDIA, $1,000. Why is it? Yeah. Anyways, there you go. Bye-bye.